Okay guys, thank you for clicking my video. Now, due to the Valentine's Day, Instagram has introduced a new feature whereby you can change the colors of your Instagram note red and also pink at the same time. So let me show you how to use this feature. But first of all, you need to open your app store. Also, don't forget to subscribe if today is your first time. Now, once you open your Play Store, your App Store, update your Instagram application. Update your Instagram application to the latest version. Now, once you have updated your Instagram, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your Instagram. Click on your message option over here. And once you click on that, click on Notes. Now, here are some of the keywords that you can use. So you can use I love you. Then you enter share, and you can see over here. You can see the color has changed over here. Or you can choose to change it VD, and you can see same here. So you can change it to different colors. So you can see pink over here, and also you can change it to any color. You can change it. You can write keywords like I love you or Valentine's Day, and this is so amazing over here. I hope this video is very helpful. Go ahead and also change your notes color. Happy birthday.